Yay! Come on. There we go. Okay. Hey there. So last video was terribly long. I'm sorry, but I promise 95% of the videos won't be forever long. But funny thing that I've noticed, never paid attention before, but on the little handle for the manual, release for the trunks of the car, it's got this funny little guy. Hopefully you paid attention. Funny little guy, hopping out, running, out of the trunk. I thought it was funny, but right, okay. So last time, took out the seats, rear and front, and this time the goal is pretty much take everything out that I can up to the center console. Right. Well, I'm gonna set you guys up and might as well just get to it. And yeah, the only goal is to get to the center console, to like here, pretty much everything that'll come apart, seat belts, everything else. And hopefully this is not long. I won't make it long, I promise. I just want to get a lot of certain information done, one video, get to work, do stuff, explain a little bit, and yeah. So I'm gonna set you up, pretty much, yeah. Get to work and take stuff out, and then that'll be it for today. After that, see you in a second. Well, got the back part out and keep on going. One quick thing on people that do have Dodge Darts and they have the problem of they can't get the fuel door open. What I believe is, see this little guy right here, and there's a little opening in the rear side panel. I'm pretty sure if you pull that, yep, you pop the filler cap. So if anybody has that problem, sees this video, that's how you get it open if something happens. Back to it. I got as far as I wanted to get with the interior for today, and I think what I'm gonna do is do little stuff, finish up, and pretty much get back to you guys next video. And we're gonna do the front half of the interior as much as possible, and within reason, making it not too long because there's a lot more stuff. But this is the progress and farther back. See, it's empty as can be, but there's still a lot of little stuff I want to do. Yeah, pretty much. Hell, don't let anybody tell you you can't do something. If you want to do it, do it. See you in the next video.